Hey guys, and welcome back to this channel. In this video I'll be showing you guys how you can basically create this like edge neon glow stroke outline on your videos on CapCut PC or on your photos, whichever. I'm just going to use a photo. They do have like the auto cutout edge glow, but you have to have the pro for that. So I'm just showing you guys how you can do it for free. So go to auto cutout, and I'm trying to replicate this kind of outline. It's not going to be exactly the same, but you're basically just going to copy and paste once you've selected auto cutout, and then you're going to select edge glow. Actually, you can go to neon outline first, or neon, and you're going to place it to the image behind the background. Okay. And then I'm going to go to media, I'm going to go to library, and I'm going to find a color, and hopefully this will show. Blend mode, linear burn. And I'm also going to go to filters, and I'm going to add in the black and white filter to that. To like this one. So you can see the pink a little bit better. It's not going to show up yet. Actually, maybe I'll like replace it with another color that might pop up a little bit better. Like this one. Blend mode, linear burn. There we go. Then go to effects, and we are going to search for edge glow. And you're just going to place it on top of that part right there. And as you can see, you created your own like edge glow kind of line. And I hope this tutorial was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share. Also subscribe to this channel if you have not done that already. If you have any more questions, just leave it in the comment section down below, and I will try my best to answer them all for you guys. And if you found this video helpful, please click the thanks button above the description box down below. Thank you so much for watching. Bye.